In the heart of Valencia, Spain, lies Ciscar 4, a modernist gem within a classic 1920s building. This architecturally significant structure has been renovated from foundation to rooftop, preserving its old-world essence while integrating modern conveniences. Now, one of its brand-new apartments is on the market. Sitting on a wide, tree-lined boulevard, the front of the building is enhanced with plaster embellishments and wrought iron balconies, supported by scrolled soffits. The main entry is through hand-carved wooden doors topped with transom windows. Each of the three residences has the original front doors, now reinforced and restored with automatic locks operable by keypad, fingerprint, or phone. Inside, the open-plan living space features 10-foot ceilings. The glass doors in the living room trace to a balcony, while a glass wall separates the dining area and sleek kitchen. The kitchen island offers seating and a flush cooktop, and with the press of a button, the glass barrier can turn from clear to translucent, visually separating the kitchen from the living room. Top-of-the-line appliances include an oversized refrigerator and freezer, steam and microwave ovens, and 2 wine refrigerators. The 305 square meters, or nearly 3,300 square feet of living space, holds 3 bedrooms, an office/study, laundry room, 3 full bathrooms, and a powder room. Designed for energy efficiency, heated wooden floors are insulated for sound reduction, as well as insulated water pipes. The entire home can also be managed remotely thanks to push-button technology. The 5-story building also includes storage rooms and secure garage access. Valencia, on Spain's eastern coast, is known for its passionate art scene, beautiful beaches, and renowned architecture. Ciscar 4 is located in the residential neighborhood of Ensanche, a highly sought-after area filled with shops, restaurants, fresh food stores, and cinemas. The asking price is 2.48 million euros, or about $2.6 million US.